Hi, my name is Bianca De Vera, ang sassy unikaihan ng Taguig.
Hobbies, I like to play tennis, running kapag hindi tinatamad. I also like to go on long drives, and so, ayun. I mean, feeling ko kahit sinong Pinoy naman is really into beauty. I went to their recent concert in the Philippine Arena and Araneta. It was amazing. I love them. BB, I've also been listening to Maki. He's also another local artist here in the Philippines. Of course, Taylor Swift. I grew up watching Taylor Swift. I grew up listening to her, Taylor Swift. Siyempre, Nuwala, or Queen, Catherine Bernardo. My number one. And Anne Curtis. I love you, Ate Anne. Ako, I really enjoy going to cafes. That's where I enjoy doing my me time. Cafes, restaurants, exploring new food, exploring new cuisines, malls. Top 5 favorite food. Sinigang, sinigang sa baboy. Bulalo. Yung masebong bulalo. Tapos may init na kanin. Yes! Caldereta. Kare-kare. And kahit anong pasta. Basta pasta.
My comfort food is the sinigang talaga. Kasi kahit if I have a fever or upo ko sipon, sinigang lang katapat niya minsan. My biggest fear, losing a loved one. Losing a loved one. That's my number 1.
Actually, I'm so grateful na itong ginagawa ko ngayon pag-artista ko is my job right now. Pangarap ko talaga ito. Lahat ng ginagawa ko at gagawin ko in the future. Yeah, I'm so happy to be living the dream. I can't live without my parents. Definitely. As in, gagawin ko lahat para sa kanila. Umakatay o para sa kanila. Kaya kong sumula ng bomba para sa kanila. Lahat!